Hey guys, Taylor here with another video. Now, I don't know if any of you have recently experienced the Marie Kondo phase of downsizing your entire house, but as humans we tend to collect a lot of stuff, and it can be difficult to keep our home free of clutter. Well, I just want to let you know that you don't have to get rid of all of your things. There are some great options to store and tuck things away to remove the clutter and keep your house looking neat and tidy, and that is with great storage trunks. So today we're going to be breaking down some of our favorite storage trunks, going over some of the benefits and features of each to see which might be right for you in your particular situation. Now, as always, I will leave links to each of these products in the description below, so feel free to check them out there if you're interested. As well, if I do find any deals or discounts on any of these, I'll drop those down there for you as well. So, kicking things off, we have the best overall storage trunk, and that's going to be the Songmics 43-inch faux leather folding storage Ottoman bench. Now this is a great option if you need a large storage trunk. This trunk is multifunctional as it's designed as a bench, so not only will it store a lot of stuff, but you can also sit on it. It has a gorgeous faux leather look, and it's able to fit with any decor option in your house. The top is also textured with buttons and stitching, giving it a couch-like appearance. One great feature here is this Ottoman is designed to fold flat, which allows you to easily store it somewhere out of sight until you need more storage again. So if you're just looking for the best overall storage option that's both beautifully designed and convenient in your home, then definitely check out the Songmics 43-inch faux leather folding storage Ottoman bench. Now coming in at our second top choice, we have the Seville Classics foldable storage bench. This set of storage ottomans comes with two collapsible ottomans for added storage within a matching set. Now what's really great about this one is it's designed to blend into any home decor and will fit nicely within your home. It has a charcoal gray finish and a textured look that can really highlight or help it blend into the background depending on your particular design. One thing that's also great is you can use these ottomans separately or together, and each of them holds up to 500 pounds. So what that means is not only will you be able to use them for storage, but you can also use them as an extra seat or footrest. You can even put them together and use them as a small coffee table. The choices here are endless. So if you want a great classic looking option that's also multifunctional, then definitely check out the Seville Classics foldable storage bench. Now for those of you that are on a bit of a budget, we have a great budget option as well. And that's going to be the Plano 1619 0056 quart tote tub. Now this is a great budget option for storage trunks. It is made of a hard plastic, and it's definitely more for use in your truck or used in your garage. It's incredibly durable, and it's rugged enough to keep your stuff safe and protect it against the elements. What's really cool here is it's made to work with multiple tubs. It actually has a grooved top and bottom, and it can interlock with the same tub for secure stacking. It also has tie-down hooks so you can secure it in your truck or other vehicle with ease. It also has a great integrated locking system, which means that you can keep your stuff safe if you're moving or if you just happen to have it on your vehicle constantly. As is noted in the name, it is a 56 quart capacity, making it a great option if you're on the go a lot or if you have lots to store in a large garage. So if you're looking for the best budget pick, definitely check out the Plano 1619 0056 quart tote tub. Next up, we have the best storage trunk bench, and that's going to be the Songmics faux leather folding storage Ottoman bench. Now, if you're like us, if you want to add extra storage in your home, you want it to be able to blend in and feel like it's a part of the decor. And this is a fantastic option to do just that. It offers plenty of storage as well as a place to sit. It definitely has a great unique look to it. It has an all-white finish that stands out in most home decor options. It also fits well as an attractive accent piece. It has buttons on top to draw your attention and give it that feel of a leather couch. It also has a weight limit of 660 pounds, meaning it's nice and sturdy, and offers a great place for two people to sit on at once. It also features 80 liters of storage space, so it's going to be a great option for all those extra knickknacks that you want to tuck away. So if you are looking for the best storage trunk bench, definitely check out the Songmics 30-inch faux leather folding storage Ottoman bench. Last up, we have the best wooden storage trunk, and that's going to be the Southern Enterprises Pyramid Storage Trunk End Table. Now there is something nice about having wood in your home. It definitely adds some warmth and sophistication to any room. This wooden trunk is well crafted and can be used as an end table that will allow an extra bit of storage while also livening up your room. It features mission oak construction, detailed finishing work, and it can hold up to 90 pounds. So if you're somebody that's looking for some beautiful wood accent in your room, then definitely check out the Southern Enterprises Pyramid Storage Trunk. It's a great functional option with a beautiful wood texture. Anyway guys, if you're looking to condense some of the stuff in your house and looking to store it in a unique and beautiful way, then I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, please feel free to give us a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And just a reminder, I will leave links to each of these products in the description below, so you can check them out there and do a little bit of your own research if you are interested. Also, if I happen to find any of those discount codes or deals, I'll throw those down in the description for you as well. Also, if you happen to have any questions or comments, please feel free to drop them below. I do love getting to answer as many of those as possible. Otherwise, guys, thanks so much for watching today. Stay safe out there, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.